Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Excuse my puffy face because I just woke up. Anyway, today is a special day. It's May 11, Sunday, and it's game 1 of the UAAP Women's Volleyball Championship. LaSalle is back in the finals after 2 seasons. I'm very excited. Plus, it's my first time watching live again after so long, and my first time with Nim. Very, very excited. Dahil dyan, papakita ko sa inyo ang aming OOTD in 3, 2, 1. Ulasan! Yay! Sakto. Ito na ang aming OOTD. If you've seen the previous vlogs sa LaSalle, nabubulol pa tuloy ako. Ito yung siya. You would know that I bought us shirts kasi diba outdated na yung LaSalle wardrobe ko. Since I told you, it's been a while since I last saw a game live. By the way, a Grammarama tip. A grammar tip. You say, you see a game o kaya you saw a game or a movie if you're seeing it sa live sa stadium o kaya sa cinema, okay? Otherwise, you say you watch a game sa bahay. Okay, so the last time I saw a game live was ages ago. Now, siya, mas matagal pa, right? And if you didn't know pala, Nim is also a LaSallian because he studied photography at CSB. So, go LaSalle. Yan. So, when was the last time you saw a game live?
Parang pre-pandemic pa. Tapos, this is the first time I'll be cheering sa side ng De La Salle. Yung first game na napanood ko live was for UST against Adamson. So, nasa UST side ako nun. Yung mga succeeding na it's either sa UST nga ako, Ateneo, tsaka FEU side. Kasi sila yung mga favorites ko before. Recently lang naman naging favorite ko yung Darasal because of this. Kaya favorite ko naman yung individually. May mga favorite na South players ako. Pero as a team, hindi masyado. Pero this time, I'll be cheering for the whole team. Happy yarn?
Happy. I'm very excited to cheer for LaSalle. My favorite cheer is LaSalle! Go LaSalle! Yung simple lang. You know, this trend that goes on TikTok ngayon, how do you explain this to a non-UAAP fan? Very excited ako to feel that feeling again kasi napakaganda talaga napakaganda ng atmosphere inside the Coliseum when you're cheering for your team. It's sobrang okay kasi you're in unison. Daming sinabi. Before we go, ito yung aming OOTD. We're gonna go to, the game is in Araneta now, and LaSalle, as you know, has a good record in Araneta, right? So, yeah. So, let's go. Ito yung aming shirts. Mine is a DLSU heart. His is a classic na font.
Pero may nakalagay sa likod.
Recticano. Yan. Akin is, I have a print also. Nasabi ay?
Keep the faith.
Keep the faith.
Ito na font.
Yeah. Keep the faith, hindi nisperos.
Wow.
Okay, anyway.
Yun na.
I'm wearing this with jorts, o jeans na shorts. Yan. And yours is?
Unique look. Ano to? Short shorts.
Khaki shorts.
Short shorts.
And for our shoes, I'm a creature of habit. So while I have other pairs of shoes, of course, I would always wear the same pair over and over and over again, diba? But on certain occasions like this one, I would put out my sneakers. And of course, for this occasion, I'm putting out my special na green and white because LaSalle, right? So yan, ito yung aking shoes sa'yo.
My go-to, Crocs. Kahit saan ko naman tayo pumunta, ito yung suot ko yun.
And sakto green siya.
Yeah. Love it.
Smile. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, ninakaw ko. Siyempre, binili ko. Wala na akong mga gantong shirt. Nanonood kami mamaya. Anong gusto mong Mother's Day gift?
Yung maski hindi ko kumain ba sa damit ko.
Kahit hindi siya kumain, basta may damit. Isa ko. Ano yung favorite mo sa pagiging nanay?
Pagiging nanay. Yung ano, kasama ko yung mga anak ko. Gano'n. Nakakasama ko ang anak ko, mga apo ko, gano'n.
Nakakasama mo, maalagaan mo.
Oo.
Good answer. Here is our spread. Spread! Beef salpicao. Ting. Sinigang na hipon. Ting. Tokwat baboy. These are our favorites. So try nyo rin siya. Napakasarap. Napakasarap.
Yeah.
And we're in Araneta Center already. Araneta area, not center. We're in Gateway to be exact. A word to the wise. If you're going to watch a game, lalo na ng finals, in a big venue, chances are, of course, mahirap ang parking, right? And for you not to get stuck in traffic after, best to park somewhere away. Far, hindi naman so far away. So, Araneta, we park in Manhattan. Hanapin niyo yung Manhattan condos, may parking doon. Just a block away from the venue. Lakad lang kayo ng konti and you're here na, di ba? And you won't get stuck in traffic after. Ding! O may clue, may ano kayo, tip kayo. We are eating sa one of my favorite joints, Taco Bell. Favorite ko to, napakasarap yung nachos nila and the burritos. So good. Kasi malalang puksaan to mamaya, makugutom tayo nito, kakasigaw. Yan. May kasabila yan ha, promise. May kasabila yan.
Question. Kayo ka kinakabahan
Na player?
na player sa NU?
AKA na kailangan bantayan, Solomon. So pag si Solomon uminit, medyo mahirap yan. Pero pag nabantayan, kaya. Siya yung player na gano'n. Si Bella kasi gagawa ng paraan eh. Alam mo yun? So, and most of the time kasi open siya, di ba? So, talagang mapupunta sa kanya yung bola, madalas. So, makakagawa siya ng paraan. Pero si Solomon, medyo, deadly. Solomon for me, kailangan bantayan.
So people are saying na si Bella na yung MVP ata eh. Siya na yung season MVP. Deserve naman niya. And si Bella kasi wala siyang off-lay eh.
Diba?
So talagang kahit i-target mo siya, kahit i-pressure mo siya, magpa-perform siya.
Oo, kaya mag-serve siya ng malakas.
Oh, so yeah. And for De La Salle naman, ano bang magandang question for De La Salle? Ano sa tingin mo yung kailangan lang gawin para makuha yung game 1?
Hindi ako lalayo. Bantayan si Eliza. Besides that, I think they have to get their championship spirit back. Yan. Kasi obviously they're a strong team. Kung totoo yun na yung balita na apat sa first starters nila yung magiging in the mythical 6, di ba? That just proves na they're a strong team. So kailangan nila, they should bank on their strengths. Diba? So malakas na sila eh. So kailangan lang nila is to gel well and to get that confidence back. Yun kasi mahirap eh, yung tapusin mo yung championship, yung panapos na tinatawag, diba? Kailangan magkaroon sila ulit nun. Back in, anong season yung last kila Mars? Nanalo sila Mars, anong season yun? 85. Yun, yung ganong spirit, yung kila Jolens.
Kailangan lang maunahan yung NU. Kasi kapag confident yung NU players, mahirap silang talunin. So, kailangan lang unahan sa scoring, unahan nila sa last sets. Oh, correct. So, I think kailangan from the start si Shavana paganahin kagad ni Nicole. Si Shavana tsaka si Amy. Si Angel naman kasi consistent siya eh. And then also, Alea. Kasi kapag maganda laro ni Alea, maganda laro ng everyone. Talagang parang kapag maganda laro ni Alea, yung win napupunta kay De La Salle. So, hoping na magandang gising ni Alea. I'm an Alea stan account kasi. Apologist ako ni Alea. Yeah. So, kain mo na kami.
Let's go. Bye.
Compared
Nice game. Nice game naman. Talo in 4 sets. Nag-walkout. So tayo ay mag-stress eating muna. Pumunta kami ng Pancake House right after the game. So, kamusta ang naramdaman mo after watching that loss?
Huwag niyo ako kausapin. Sige. Hindi. Sorry, this is an anticlimactic vlog kasi saya-saya kanina, di ba? Excited na excited. Tapos, what a downer. You know what? Yung sa Lady Spikers, kung nakikinig kayo, that is not how you play to win a championship. Hindi pwede yung may mga errors kayo na service errors, mga ganyan here and there. No, hindi yan hindi yan uubra. Lalo na sa champion team like NU. Better shape up. Tsaka, especially the setters. The
Pero okay
setters.
Jules.
Juliana Tolentino stepped up, so good job. Ganda ng mga sets niya, ha? Miko Reyes, ganun pa rin talaga eh. So, sana mag-improve pa. Pero, nagtataka ko lang, no? Bakit hindi na paghandaan ni RDJ yung season na to in terms of having a setter? Nakaligtaan ba yan? I don't know. That's counterintuitive. As a fan, naiinis ako. Alam mo yan, naiinis ako for them. And, well, that's the way the cookie crumbles. Sana makabawi pa rin, but yung ganyang laro, hindi niyo ipapanalo ng championship. Hindi nagpapanalo ng championship yan. Yung champion na. Yan lang. Anyway, do you have anything to say? How about you?
So, yeah, kanina din na siya makausap. Lalo na nung start of first set, down na siya kagad. Pero I was really hoping na mag-step up, na mag-level up yung game ng mga nung Lady Spikers. Kasi very obvious na NU was in it to win it. For the players, kita mo kanina na si Amy really wanted to win. Even Shavana, Angel, and even Alea. Alea performed well today. For NU, ang galing talaga. They were just in it talaga. Talagang focused sila lalo na si Belen, MVP caliber. Hopefully makabawi game 2. Nag-enjoy naman ako. I enjoyed my first experience na mag-cheer sa De La Salle side. Ang ganda ng energy.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're updated for the next one. And Joe, kabisado ko na. Bye!